Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. The topic that I explained today is Gauss elimination method. In the previous video I explained this topic and now I am going to explain and elaborate it further with the example of question number 2. So let's begin with question number 2. So there are three equations: x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 6, 5x plus 6y plus 7z is equal to 8, 3x plus 5y plus 4z is equal to 9. So now we write these equations in the form of matrix to elaborate it further. 1, 2, 3, 6 means I take its coefficient is 1. Y in this situation its coefficient is 2. In this situation this coefficient is 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 6 as it is like equation 1. Now equation 2 and equation 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 5, 4, 9. Now what I am doing here, I am doing raw 2 subtraction with 5 raw 1. 5 raw 1 means I first multiply raw 1 with 5 and then subtract raw 2 with raw 1. Why I am doing this? Because in this situation I get this 5 becomes 0. And after this operation this 5 becomes 0. In the previous video I tell you that what is echelon form and how it is formed. So if you don't know then please go back and watch my previous video. Now raw 3 minus 3r1. raw 3 means 3. अब मुझे इस 3 को 0 करना है तो raw 3 minus 3r1 means this 3 becomes 0. Now what I am doing? I am doing minus 4. Minus 4. 1 upon minus 4. Because this minus 4 becomes 1. And this minus 1 becomes minus 1. Same. But to convert this minus 4, I divide this with 1. Because in the echelon form we know that this is the echelon form that we required in the end. And to make this echelon form, I do these binary operations. Now what I am doing? Raw 3 plus raw 2. Raw 3 plus raw 2 is because minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. So to make this element becomes 0, I make this binary operation of raw 3 plus raw 2. 1 upon minus 3 raw 3. What I can do in this situation, because minus 3 is the main victim here. Minus 3 is the main culprit and I want to remove it from this equation now. So I divide simply minus 3 from raw 3 and then it becomes 1. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1 and these equations. Now rewriting the equation, x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 6, 2y plus 2z is equal to 11 upon 2 and z is equal to 7 upon 6. So z is equal to 7 upon 6. We find the equation of z as we know in the previous video. 2 plus y plus 2, 7 upon 6 is equal to 11 upon 2. In this situation we find only a single variable y by doing simple arithmetic functions, and finally we get the result of y which is equal to 19 upon 6. Now we need to find x because y and z are find out. Z की equation क्या थी? Z is equal to 7 upon 6 comma y is equal to 19 upon 6. अब हमें क्या करना है? Z निकालना है. सो z निकालने के लिए क्या होगा कि z की इक्वेशन को हम x की इक्वेशन को हम y और z दोनों को साथ एलेबोरेट करेंगे. ये x की इक्वेशन है, x प्लस 2y प्लस 3z इक्वल टू 6. y की वैल्यू जो भी आई है उसको उठा के इस इक्वेशन में डाला, z की वैल्यू जो भी आई है उसको उठा के इस इक्वेशन में डाला. सो द आंसर फाइनली वी ऑब्टेन्ड इज x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 23 अपॉन 6. So these three are the variables and we find out these three variables through this method. Hope you all guys enjoyed this video. and please comment me in the comment section if you any query about this